This beehive is nested under the roof of a two-story building. It is quite common in the tropics to see such. Beehives also like to make their nests in things like sugar mill and other abandoned structure, along with old trees and so forth. In Antigua and Barbuda, beekeepers would charge approximately $400 to $500 to remove a beehive like this. They will remove it for you and they will keep the hive. Maybe they could get about separate all the bees here and get about 3 different hives or more from what you're looking at here. The owner of this property over the years have cut this hive and removed it. But what happened, beekeeper says, when you remove hives such as these, you need to spray things like oil, diesel oil in the area, which will hinder the bees from making their hives again. Sometimes this particular hive, it would appear like it's dying. Don't know where the bees would venture off to, but you would not see so much bees when you would see the comb like it's dying, but it is in full bloom here. That the homekeeper have not been able to open doors and windows for this hive. I'm taking a great chance, even taking this video. I'm just beneath it.